be here than in the best hospital I know of, or where Sister Leela's laying tonight. The dead can't praise God. Praise God, Mama God. This old devil, honey, I'm acquainted with some of his old tricks. But honey, he can't do a thing when Jesus is right on the inside.
Come on.
He lives in here.
Yes,
Whoa! And when you think you're dry, Brother Brad, say, Jesus, rain on me.
Yeah.
Rain on me.
Rain.
Feed me, Lord. Feed me till I want no more.
Yeah.
Woo!
Thank you.
He's my water. He's my food.
Hallelujah.
He's my victory tonight.
Yes.
Brother Steve, honey, you got to cast your care upon him. He said he cares for you. And he loves you like no other.
Come on, that's right.
Mother's love goes a long way. But Jesus' love don't never stop.
Amen.
Woo! I'm glad I got a little bit of Jesus.
Oh, yes. Hallelujah.
I'm glad I love that name. That name that's got victory in it. J-E-S-U-S. I like
Go ahead.
the whole world.
Shut up in my
I don't know why that we don't get some more sinners in the house. I love to hug all their necks.
Yeah.
Tell them how much Jesus loves them.
That's
Woo!
right.
Just a touch of his hand, honey.
Touch.
Just a touch. Woo! Andalaboshaya.
Bless the Lord.
Just one touch.
Thank you, God.
Lord.
Yes.
I feel the Holy Ghost in my
Oh,
hand.
bless his
Oh.
Lord. Put it on her. Amen.
Oh,
Oh,
woo! Shine on me, Holy Ghost.
Yeah.
Shine, shine, shine.
Yeah.
He's a sunlight in the midnight hour.
Shine.
All we got to do is speak his name. It don't have to be very loud, but you can just whisper.
Amen.
That sweet name
Sweet.
from your heart, not from the lips, but from the
Amen.
heart.
All right.
Jesus.
Jesus. Hallelujah.
Woo! He'll come and love you every time.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I feel his presence.
Oh, yes.
I can't go to sleep a lot of times, Sister Melissa. I said, devil, what do you want me to do? Get out of here and drink on your head. I got to get up out of bed and go run through the house.
Oh.
Devil, you're alive and the Father of all eyes. Jesus is greater.
Oh, yeah.
And he lives on the inside.
He lives.
He lives in here.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! He took his abode up in here one day. And I ain't never run him on.
Thank you.
Woo! I want him to get stronger and stronger
Yeah.
in my life. Because Jesus is my life tonight.
Yes, he is.
Whoa! I'm like somebody else. I may have not had long for this old world. But I'm homesick.
Yeah.
Homesick for heaven.
Yeah.
Oh, the devil can't disappoint us no more. Jackie, honey, he's a personal friend. A personal friend. When you feel that enemy coming at you with a strike, Jesus, I love you, Jesus. And I need you, Jesus, right now. Right now, Jesus.
Yeah.
Woo! You'll feel the chills coming all over you.
All right.
Because Jesus don't forsake his children. He loves his children.
Yeah.
And his children's got to love him.
You better talk.
More than anything, I want to fall in love with Jesus.
Come on, that's right.
Woo!
Right, amen.
I feel like running sometimes. Brother Brad, you want to run with me?
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
Lord have mercy.
Yeah,
God is alive forevermore.
No.
He ain't dead.
Yes.
Woo! He's alive.
Yes.
If Sister Leela was sitting there tonight, I believe she'd raise that little hand and say, amen.
Hallelujah.
Glory. Because Jesus don't never leave his children. He loves us, Sister Melissa, more than anything in this life. Oh, I can tell you another true story that Brother Jeremy told about the devil wanted me to commit suicide one night. Yeah, I didn't think nobody in the world loved me. With 12 children in the house. 12 children in the house. And I had to babysit. No, I was mad because I had to babysit. I didn't want to babysit. I wanted to go to church with the rest of them. But honey, the devil said, we lived in a 2 or 3 story house. Said, walk up there on that porch and just jump over in the rocks. You'll end it all. And honey, I was obeying it. Here I went to walking. I opened the door and went out on the porch and looked over in the cliff. And my mother said, sis, don't never do anything you'd regret. As plain as day, she said that to me. And Mother wasn't nowhere around. But her voice, honey.
Amen. Yeah.
Mother's love. Scared me half to death. I slammed that door and got back in the house. I said, Jesus, God, Jesus. I need you, Jesus, more than anything. Right. More than anything. We need Jesus.
Yeah.
Mother and Dad can't do it all. But Jesus can do it all.
Amen.
He don't forsake his own. I love him tonight. I didn't have to say all that. God bless you.
Amen.